Master tongues, 5 tigers, Wuhu, 11.27 is a group of 5 acupoints on the thumb's radial side, acting as a microsystem that treats pain in corresponding body areas, from fingers to heels. Each of the 5 points is associated with different anatomical locations, with the Wuhu points particularly effective for small joints, and are often used as a set or in specific combinations to address issues like arthritis, joint pain, and gout. Location. The 5 tiger points Wuhu, T11.27 are located on the radial aspect, the thumb side of the proximal closest to the palm segment of the thumb. They are positioned on the border between the red and white skin, with the first point being the most distal and the fifth the most proximal. Function and correspondences. Microsystem. The 5 tigers represent the entire body, with the thumb itself acting as a microsystem for the head. Joint pain. The points are named 5 tigers because there are 5 points, and a metal element symbolized by the tiger corresponds to the large intestine meridian and the number 5. Specific point indications. Wuhu 1 targets finger pain, rheumatoid arthritis, tenosynovitis, and headaches. Wuhu 3 addresses toe pain and headaches. Wuhu 5 treats heel pain. Wuhu 2 and 4 support the functions of the other points in the group. Overall indication. The original description for the 5 tiger points was for bone swelling in and throughout the entire body, and clinically, they are used for swollen, achy joints, gout, and various forms of arthritis.